In this course, I'm going to take you through some simple movements called Qigong. Now, Qigong is focused practice, really. So Qi, that Q-I, so Qigong is Q-I-G-O-N-G. Qi is the life energy and life force that's all around us. And then Gong simply means focused practice. So we put that together, Qigong. It's a focused practice of circulating and growing that energy that's all around us. Now, there are two kinds of energy. There's heavy energy, and that's the stuff that we deal with when we're dealing with our toxic, abusive person in our life. That energy saps you, it makes you feel heavier, it depresses you, all of the negative emotions that you experience. That's heavy energy. What we want to fill ourselves with to overcome that is a higher frequency energy. And that tends to be that which is all around us that we can't see. And it's in us too. And so when we do Qigong, we're growing that energy. We become more electrified, if you will. And some of you may even start to feel some tingling and warmth in your hands, and that's Qi. So there's a very tangible evidence of this energy. So Qigong are simple movements that give us an opportunity to circulate and expand and fill ourselves with that life energy. Also, emotions such as love and joy and gratitude, those are higher frequency energies. So we strive to fill ourselves with that type of energy rather than that heavy energy. So we rid ourselves of the heavy energy and we fill ourselves with that higher frequency energy. So I will be teaching you very simple Qigong movements, and our goal is then to experience that circulation of Qi through our body.